Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable and how to turn off screen of gestures for Gemini app in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to open our phone settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Next, we need to scroll down to gestures and motions. Now at the top we have screen of gestures, we need to open it. And first we need to enable this option right here. If we do not, we won't have any gestures options. So here we have our predetermined gestures, and here we have some that we can customize. So by default we have calculator, Gemini and recorder apps here, and we can enable Gemini using the M symbol as you can see here, and we can disable it using the same switch.